Sobrang sarap. It's summer and I'm craving nothing but watermelons. My dad wanted to make sure that I'm getting a good watermelon. Alam mo yung traditional na pag-check ng watermelon kung okay siya. Pa-triangle. Tapos kukunin ka na. And voila! We got a good one. I am back to short hair. The heat is crazy. Umay na rin ako sa Korean hairstyle. Masyadong tayong nilalaman ng Korean since malakas yung amats natin today. Ay! Taste test? Wow! Balik ka sa ref. Bukas ka sa akin. Like this. Sobrang sarap. Genius. Look at this. Mukha siyang tuna. I will be craving this. You have to eat it fast para crunchy pa din siya. I can't stop eating. Alala lang, what's good for me might not be good for you. Magkakaiba tayo ng amats, so just try it. See you guys again on my next Cravens.